3 knives, 1 journey. 3 times. No look.
Oh, fuck the guy. Oh, nice.
Three knives. Each knife is a new journey. No look. Three knives. No look.
Hi, I'm Tim Sodi. I'm in the Bladed Fairies. We're a gang.
Dead center, baby. What's up, Tim?
Hey, what's up? Not looking?
Yeah, baby. This is how a ballet song flipper throws an axe and knives.
Now that's grouping. Whoa. Oh no. You're getting pretty nimble with that thing, man. Oh. This is a ritual knife. Okay, I'm gonna try this axe.
Tim, give us what you got.
Spyderco throwing knives. Smith & Wesson.
Oh.
Stuck all of them, huh?
K-bar good.
Those feel good.
Ooh, yeah. Look at that. The Dellenger. DRIGK. Demolish the card. Nice one, buddy.
It's a very good knife. You just have to throw it softly. That was better, baby.
All right, these guys, whatever no-name brand, dead last. Got the Smith & Wesson. Really good jump here to the K-bar. And you got then, in third place, you got the Kershaw. Because this one broke, they're a little thin, but they fly and aim really well. I think in second place, easily, you got the Spydercos. And number one, the Dellenger Instinctive DRIGK.
Slice right through it, okay? This is what pisses me off, okay? People like, oh, hold the knife like this, hold the knife like this, hold the knife like this. Hold the knife like it's a bird. It's a little bird. You're not gonna squeeze a fucking thing and kill it, are you? No, it's a light thing. And you're slicing through the brain. You're holding the knife like a bird. And then you just release, okay? There you go. Watch this. Almost! Fuck you!
So we got here some Spyderthrowing knives, and these are decent knives, you know. I had these for a while. They're like 20 bucks for 3, you know. So, and depending on where, I think I'm in a pretty good position right here. So, I'm just gonna try to hit that little card over there. So I'm gonna slice through it like it was a melon.
These are for straight throwers. I'm gonna flip them though. I hate straight throwers. Like this. Works better. Watch this. There you go. Flip them.
I think it's somewhere in the middle, you know.
Got the card twice with the Spyderco. He's going for a third.
There you go. I don't like cameras. Slice through brain. Release. Yeah.
He got it. Yeah, we're listening to this record right here. Killer stuff. Indian style heavy funk volume 2. Sitar Beat.